We make low-carbon manufacturing the norm. Photovoltaic energy powers every stage of the process. Intelligent digital systems operate with precision, while automated production lines work efficiently in coordination. At Bainuo, we safeguard women's health, nature, and the future in a sustainable way. At Bainuo, we advocate a philosophy of natural, healthy, and high-quality feminine care. Guided by the cradle-to-cradle design principle, we continuously develop natural, organic, and biodegradable products, protecting the environment in a more responsible way. When a product has fulfilled its purpose, it can return to nature, forming a complete and positive ecological cycle. Bainuo takes part in every critical stage. With one-to-one dedicated service, designs are completed within 3 days, first orders delivered within 15 days, 24-hour online support provided, video shooting and editing are completed within 2 days. We deliver more than products. We deliver efficient solutions that stand the test of the market, bringing every client and consumer around the world a precise, professional, and reliable service experience.